First, open up your menu. You can open up your menu by pressing either the menu or tablet button on your controllers or the escape button on your keyboard. Next, click Shared Screen. Then click Stream Video. You can use this search field to find a video on YouTube. Just type in your keyword and click Search to see the results. Or you can play your video by copying a URL into this field and pressing play. You can then select what format to play your video in. Unless you are loading 3D video specifically, 2D video would be your best bet. Your video will now play on every screen built into the environment, as well as all users in the session's menus or tablets. You can also add additional screens from the IFX menu. If you want to show a 360 video, you should use one of the 360 locations in the public menu for best results. If you open your menu again and go back to the Shared Screen tab, you will be able to see the playback controls for your video. Here you can scroll the timeline, play and pause your video, or set your video to loop, and adjust the volume. To completely remove the video, click the Unload button.